Hello, Markium, markiumpro.com. So basically on our site, we've just revamped a few things that we want to enlighten you to. So when you go to the user analytics section, you have the leaderboard. The leaderboard, you can be able to track it by daily, weekly, monthly, all, and then a list of all the categories. So right now, this is specifically for Polymarket, but we will be adding Kalshi and then obviously going downstream to other interesting prediction market platforms that are providing APIs. So once you be able to have that situation, you can then click on a link and then you can be able to see a breakdown of any given trader. Trader gives you a breakdown of the predictions, the volume traded, the biggest wins, and then so on and so forth. But what I do love about what we've actually done is we've added a user explorer section. So this user explorer section gives you a breakdown where you can paste in the address or the username of any particular trader, or it will give you a full in-depth database of all the traders in the marketplace, and it gives you based on the risk, so conservative, high risk, so on and so forth. And high risk is essentially down to trades that have shown, phenomenal growth, but you need to obviously be aware of the risks that's been taken, i.e. per trade, right? So when you go down to activities, you can basically take a look at analytics, or let's go to positions here. So for example, the high risk, you can see that this trader basically bought at 99 cents and put in $2.9 million. Yes, it's highly likely that it's going to close because it's essentially closed. But there could be a situation where something occurs last minute and it turns around and you could actually lose 2.9 million shares or 1.4 million shares. So you need to really take into consideration about what your risk elements are and then move forward thereafter. What you can also take a look is under the analytics section, you can basically see what the best trade is, the win streak. Here it gives you a breakdown of the trading activity heat map. So it shows you the current heat map of what's most active based on the 24-hour trading pattern. So this is interesting. It shows you the open positions as in terms of health, profitability, losing, break even. Shows you the win-loss analysis, market distribution. What is it based on? Profitable trend, then buy-sell distribution, trade side analysis. So all the interesting metrics that you need to make better decisions upon you trade. What I will be doing is I will be adding more details, and we're probably looking at doing some daily commentary about the news of what's happening within the marketplace and obviously some of the features that we have, so you can stay abreast of the market and then you can correlate what's happening in the market in terms of news and then utilizing our features to be able to help you to make better decisions. Okay.